Hey everyone, Chris Moreno. We're live here from Venture Atlanta 2024. Here with my friends Charles. Charles, I see you everywhere. You're all over the Southeast. You're helping founders out. Tell me a little about your founder journey and then moving from a founder into the investing world.
Yeah, man. So my founder journey started out with doing something with my teammate, classmate over at Duke, Zach Maritas, called Teamworks. Teamworks is the operating system for all athletics. In 2016, I started a second company with another Dookie, Christopher Gergen, called Forward Cities, where we built startup ecosystems throughout the country. And the things that I kept seeing, no matter where I went, was lack of access to capital, access to network, and investment opportunities. So as an investor, I really want to try and figure out how to remove those barriers as much as possible.
And now, in terms of the fund, 1888, can you tell me a little bit more about what your thesis is or what you're focused on?
Yeah, so we're focused on the Southeast, early stage, pre-seed, and Series A. The reason why the Southeast is because the Southeast is where the magic is happening right now. We're at Venture Atlanta, seeing a bunch of amazing startups here in Atlanta as well, and definitely looking forward to continue to invest and help grow the current portfolio that's here as well.
Amazing. I mean, there's been investors, collaborators, founders, everyone's in the room. Is there something that you've seen maybe that shifted from the previous Venture Atlanta to this one? As it keeps getting bigger and bigger, I'm hearing.
Keeps getting bigger and bigger, and the collaboration is getting bigger and bigger as well. I feel like the connective tissue within Atlanta, but then also within the Southeast, is that much stronger. We have organizations like TechStars, Investco, Cox,
Delta Airlines,
Delta. It's like
Coca-Cola.
the rooms and the concentric circles that typically were separate are just molding more and more, and it's only going to make us that much more powerful.
I mean, it's amazing hearing about Apple and Facebook and Salesforce opening offices here. I learned that they've invested $7 billion into founders from this conference alone, 17 billion in exits, and then but unreal. And I realized there's 50 colleges here, from Morehouse to Spelman to Georgia Tech, and I supposedly more graduates in tech than anywhere else in the country. I heard.
Absolutely. It's just literally laying the groundwork for what we say usually with Render ATL. Shout out to my people over there. Is that the South has something to say, and that why does the West Coast always have to have all the fun?
Yeah. What's interesting too is investors flew in from all over the country. I met people from San Francisco, Chicago, New York, even England. So incredible. Thank you for stopping by
Thank you
and
for
talking
having
with
me,
us.
man. Excited.
All right, keep it
All
up.
right, brother.